I think this is something you can wear every day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. So today's video is going to be a clean girl makeup tutorial. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing this, please keep watching the video. One thing about clean girl makeup, yeah, skin dewy, going on the inside. I'm choosing soft life, don't come with that negative energy to me type of skin glow. You cannot even overemphasize skin prep. I'm telling you. In this video, I'm going to start by moisturizing my skin. So after I'm done moisturizing my skin, obviously my next step would be some primer. Next up is some foundation, only a few pumps of this, and then you guys know the drill. Blend, blend, blend until everything is sitting nicely. And then after this, I'm going in with some concealer, just a little bit here, and just to give my face that highlight, nothing too much, and then blend, blend, blend per usual. You guys will not believe that my camera battery actually died while I was recording this video, so I had to wait. Let's not talk about it. So after foundation and concealer, one thing I would say essential to clean girl makeup, yeah, is blush. There's just this extra bluiness that blush like kind of adds to your skin. After all that, then I went in with some setting powder. This is Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder, just a little, and then dusted it off my skin. No baking here. Next, I did my brows. I have a full video about how to do your brows on my channel, and I'm going to link it in the description box below. But here I'm just doing, very simple brows because this is supposed to be realistic, clean girl, soft everyday makeup. So just light strokes. And then I'm using some concealer as usual to just, give the brows a bit of definition. Clean girl brows are done. Very light, easy, natural, like minimal effort. Okay, that's clean girl vibe. So next, I'm just going to put like a little bit of eyeliner. Most people actually don't necessarily need this, but I kind of have like sleepy eyes, I would say. So I always like to just wear like just lower liner, no wings, none of that, just a little lower liner just to make my eyes pop so I don't look like sleepy. Then some little mascara just to give my lashes some volume. So for clean girl makeup, my eyes are pretty much done this way, but I'm so tempted to go in with some lashes. I don't know, I think I overdid it. This is giving very much full, but we're gonna continue anyways. So what I'm going to do now is take in some pressed powder and use it to blend everything in my face. I don't want any harsh lines. It's clean girl makeup, okay? There's no room for harsh lines. So now my face is all blended out. I don't think I have any harsh lines left. Everything looks soft and nice and it's giving very much clean, okay? So next I'm going to go in with some setting spray. Clean girl screams dewy, it screams sultry. So obviously I'm going to use a dewy setting spray because I want a dewy finish to the makeup. So while waiting for the setting spray to dry, I went in with some lip gloss. Gloss kind of like suffices for this look. So now that I'm done with my lips, this is pretty much enough for clean girl look. I mean, I think it looks really soft and nice, and I mean without the lashes, I think this is something you can wear every day. And if you have semi-permanent lashes, then I mean it kind of just, it's kind of like the same thing. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it quite informative. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and if you enjoy clean soft makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.